Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to ensure you never miss a valuable lesson. Let's get started. Welcome to our informative video on limited liability companies, or LLCs. In this video, we will delve into the fundamental concept of LLCs, and explore the benefits and drawbacks of choosing this business structure. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to expand, this video will provide valuable insights on LLCs, and guide you in making an informed decision. So, sit back, relax and join us as we take a comprehensive look at LLCs and the advantages and disadvantages of forming one. So, what is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that offers limited liability to its owners, also known as members, in terms of the company's debts and obligations. This means that the personal assets of the members, such as homes or cars, are generally protected from creditors of the LLC. Additionally, LLCs can offer flexibility in management, the ability to choose how they want to be taxed, and the ability to raise capital by selling membership interests or taking out loans. However, there may be costs associated with forming and maintaining an LLC. So, why should you form an LLC? And what are the benefits of forming it? An LLC provides personal asset protection for its members, forming a corporate veil. This separation protects the personal assets of the owners from being seized in the case of a lawsuit or outstanding business debts, shielding their homes, cars, and other assets from creditors in the event of business debts or liability. This is a major benefit compared to other business structures like a general partnership, where partners' personal assets are at risk. This protection is referred to as limited liability, and is a major factor in why many entrepreneurs choose to establish an LLC. Another benefit is that LLCs offer management versatility, offering the choice to manage the business directly or appoint managers. This allows for adapting to the members' needs, which can be detailed in the operating agreement. An operating agreement lays out the essential details of ownership and member information. This internal document does not need to be filed with the state, but it is crucial for establishing credibility and maintaining the corporate veil of the business. The operating agreement serves as the foundation of the LLC, outlining management and voting rules, capital contributions and distributions, membership and dissolution practices, and the basic operations of the company, while also having the option to bring in outside management when necessary. Having a company structure can be viewed as more established and trustworthy by customers, which can be beneficial for marketing purposes. Setting up as a company may improve perception and increase trust among potential customers compared to operating as a sole trader. Another major benefit is that LLCs continue post-founder death. Upon the death of the business founders, the company continues to exist and ownership of the shares transfers to the new owner, allowing the business to persist. An additional advantage of an LLC is that it is easier to raise capital. LLCs offer convenient capital raising options. By selling membership stakes or obtaining loans, they provide a more accessible means of securing capital compared to sole proprietorships or partnerships. Additionally, as separate legal entities, LLCs may find it easier to secure financing from banks and other lending institutions. Now, what are the disadvantages of forming an LLC? In order to form an LLC, various legal procedures must be completed, including registering the company with the relevant state authority. This process can be time-consuming and requires some financial investment. Before beginning the formation process, it is important to research the requirements and regulations in your state, as well as gather all necessary documentation and information. The process may involve filing articles of organization, drafting an operating agreement, obtaining any necessary licenses and permits, and paying fees. The complexity of financial reporting requirements is a potential disadvantage of LLCs. The business is required to produce a summary of its financial accounts, which must be made available to the general public. This loss of privacy can be concerning for some business owners, as it opens up sensitive financial information to not only potential customers, but also competitors. Additionally, preparing these reports and making sure they are accurate and up-to-date can take time and effort, and may require the assistance of a professional such as an accountant. However, there are more complexities. Furthermore, LLCs may also be subject to greater tax and legal requirements than other business structures. It is important to fully understand the complexity involved before forming an LLC, as it can require a significant investment of time and resources to maintain the necessary level of organization and compliance. Despite the added complexity, many entrepreneurs still choose to form an LLC due to the significant benefits it offers, such as protection of personal assets and greater flexibility in management. In conclusion, LLCs, limited liability companies, offer a range of benefits for entrepreneurs and small business owners, including personal asset protection, flexibility in management, and the ability to raise capital. While there may be more complex requirements for setting up and operating an LLC compared to other business structures, the benefits can make it well worth the effort for those looking for a solid and secure foundation for their business. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, considering an LLC for your business can provide you with the stability, protection, and opportunities you need to succeed.